Guys, join my channel if you wanna see something before buying it, if you wanna review it before buying it, try it before buy. So today we're going to review Dr.Schull's shoes. Those are pretty good shoes. This is the package. It looks quite fancy with a lot of writings on it. Dr.Schull's collection. Here you can see the sizing. It's like 8 size, US, which is UK 7, and European 41 size. Yeah, now let's open and see what is inside. Here we go. This is very nice shoes. Just telling you that I've tried these shoes already. I've walked on it a day before tasting, before reviewing, so that to give you a feedback, how is it on the fit, how comfortable is it, how I feel from the first day of wearing this. So I'm not going to talk about Dr.Scholl's, as most of you know. Those who do know Dr.Scholl's were on the shelves since 1968 with sandals, and it's kind of synonymous with comfortable footwear and healthy fit. Yeah, if you want to feel the shoes, see, it's B-free energy technology insole with 3 distinct zones designed for maximum comfort. It's extra support under the toe, high recovery foam at the ball of the foot, and dense foam cradling the heel. The outsoles are very flexible, durable. These look very stylish Oxford shoes made of the leather, and you can wear that with the jeans, with casual jeans. I also tried to wear with like office style suit kind of style thing. It goes with everything, and I was there the whole day in the fit, and I felt the comfort. Didn't have any problem with that. You don't need to break it. It's from the first day. It's very comfortable. You wear it. Now let's try these shoes. Let's wear and see how comfortable they will look on the fit. Those are pretty soft. I've been working the whole day on the work, and I felt comfortable, not tired at all. I pretty much recommend these shoes. Comparing the price and the quality, it is really worth it. As you can see under the light, they look really dusty, and they get dusty very easy. Maybe this is the type of the leather, that's why it looks like that. So if you liked, or if you didn't like, please like, unlike, and subscribe to my channel, because later on I'm gonna share with you with a lot of new reviews of different types of products. Thank you.